plan, along with several great partners, is launching a data and research initiative. So can you tell me a little bit more about it?
So fundamentally what we're trying to do is to help everybody that's engaged in SDG implementation hold governments to account for the promises that they've made to girls and women. And we want to do that by, first of all, making it easy to access existing data on what is the state of affairs for girls and women. We also want to look at the quality of the existing data and help drive good quality data to look at innovation in data so that we can make it more real time, so that we can actually talk to the girls and women themselves about what they're feeling. So one thing is what the official data is saying, but is the needle really moving? And then we want to create some smart advocacy products, not big fat reports, but 1-2 page data sheets with policy asks that are easy for policymakers to use, that are easy for girls activists to use, that are easy for the community to work around. So it's to spur and accelerate some of the change that's needed.
And it sounds like a huge undertaking. What role does Plan have, and what role do the other partners have in, I guess, in producing and disseminating this new research that should help keep everyone accountable? Yeah.
So if we take Plan, for the last 7 years we've been producing the State of the World's Girls Report, which has been based on a lot of perceptional data from girls. So we do sort of some of that smart surveying of millions of girls around the world every year and talk to them about what they feel about the progress that's being made. And we've connected that with some of the official data that's coming out of the UN or governments, etc., and done some analytics of our own. Basically what we're saying is we could sort of do that on our own for the MDGs. There's absolutely no way we can do that for the SDGs. So that's the first driver of the partnership approach. We need more data organizations, we need more organizations with analytical skills, we need more advocacy organizations to come together and jointly lift that task. I mean, in essence, the MDGs have helped us address, if not the low-hanging fruit, but some big issues. But if we're looking at leaving nobody behind, those that have been left behind are the ones that weren't counted. I mean, the invisible girls. If we just take that one example that I've used a lot this week as well, which is reproductive age is defined between 15 and 49. So every demographic and health survey in the world starts at 15. And yet we know that probably about 2 million girls under 15 give birth. Many more become pregnant, many die, etc. They don't show up in the statistics. So leaving no one behind is about, finding those data points that will help us shine a light on those issues.